Yes, now Ozo Baba don show again for your #1 channel. Talk am as e be. My money na my money, your money na still my money. So the story wey we carry comes today, the first story na iPhone scam. Wetin I wan yarn today go open your eye wella. You wey dey plan to buy iPhone, make you shine your eye like torchlight for NEPA blackout. You dey hear me so? See as dem package iPhone 7 like say na iPhone 11 Pro Max. Dem even arrange the carton well, put am for nylon still dey do original UK use. Na so dis guy go pay 250k open am for house na iPhone 7 wey dem chop life remain. So if you dey buy phone for Computer Village or any other sharp area for Lagos, abeg carry technician, carry sense and carry God with you. Dem no dey write mumu for forehead o. Hear that one again, dem no dey hear write mumu for head. Alright, the second one, because we don do am sharp make we comot so that we go fit go give na another hot gbonge story wey dey trend. Herbalist plus brainbox wahala. Yes, herbalist plus brainbox wahala. You go say wetin concern herbalist or brainbox. Now, this second story na madness mixed with comedy. Alright, one guy for Benin say im wake up come see say brainbox for im car don vanish. No wahala o, but wait, instead make e go police. The man carry herbalist o. Yes, he carry herbalist, na babalawo dey find brainbox now. The baba say we go call thieves ritually. If e no return am, e go confess for roundabout. Na so dem begin waka go shrine. As I dey talk now, dem say one guy dey shout, na me take am for inside Oshodi traffic. If you know where Oshodi dey, well, take your teeth count your thumb. Wetin we no go see for Naija.
Now Lord and Lord is the business you. Now the brainbox wey dey talk carry for this motor. Every box come outside. And the brainbox wey dey talk thief. On Monday morning, every box come outside. We never saw juju. Now announcement today. If you be landlord, ask your pikin. If you be ten ant, if you be litigator, ask your ten ant. We never swear. Now announcement today. If you know the person wey do am, the ear wey hear am, the ear wey see am, the person wey pay am, we give them 3 days to come outside. Not the 3 days, you don't come outside, anything until I will pay away.
Alright, you don see the video too? If this video make you laugh or think small, no dull yourself, like, subscribe and share give your people, because na here we talk am as e be. I still the man Ozo Baba, your personal person. My money na my money, your money na my money. Join too. We go still knack you another ogbonge tori soon.